Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with an instant pot. First, gather your ingredients: 1 gallon of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live cultures. You'll also need a thermometer and an airtight container. This process is straightforward and yields delicious, homemade yogurt with minimal effort. Let's get started on this simple and rewarding culinary adventure. Begin by pouring 1 gallon of milk into your instant pot. Select the yogurt function and adjust to boil to heat the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This step eliminates unwanted bacteria and alters milk proteins for a thicker yogurt. Once boiled, cool the milk to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. You can speed this up by placing the inner pot in an ice bath. Once the milk has cooled, whisk in 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt that contains live active cultures. This starter introduces the beneficial bacteria needed for fermentation. Return the pot to the instant pot, secure the lid, and select the yogurt setting. Incubate for 8 to 12 hours. A longer time results in a tangier yogurt. After incubation, your yogurt is ready. Refrigerate it for at least 4 hours to allow it to set further. For a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, you can strain it using a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth. The longer you strain, the thicker it becomes. Store your homemade yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.